What is going on, my YouTube friends? Just another day in the garage with Mr. Mach 1 or Fairmont, or I don't know, whatever you want to call it. But anyhow, I got some of the wiring done, got it kind of tucked away. Still probably going to have to put some more clamps and this and that here and there. And then I got to run the wires to the battery. I haven't done that yet. I'm going to have to extend those wires as well. I did have to extend the coil wires a little bit. Not much, but I extended them, and hopefully I did a good enough job. You know what I mean? Ain't that damn hard, you know what I mean? I just hate doing wiring. Let's turn this around and see what we got going on. Alright, so I got the distributor and the coil wires running through my little grommet right there. And with the headlight wires and stuff, I got them tucked up in there. And then in here, got them tucked up in there. And my little cluster here, you know what I mean? And then I got them to the firewall. So these wires, I'm going to tuck in there better. I just kind of got a zip tie in there right now, but I'll tuck everything up in there better. And then I got them running around. And I got them to the coil, and I got it to the distributor. So yeah, we're rocking and rolling there, baby. These wires right here to the battery, I'm gonna have to extend them, get them over to the battery, which I have plenty of wire for that. And then some of these wires right here are for the tack and stuff like that. So we are definitely getting close to that. And I'm guessing probably either tonight or tomorrow, I'm gonna finish buttoning up these wires for the headlights. And so I got everything ran right there. Got to run that to the battery. Pretty soon I'll put the new cap and everything on that. So we got a work in progress, that's for sure. You know, I got the wires down, running across here. And then back there in the back, like I said, I got a clamp on that. So I'll button those up better somehow, some way. And shoot, man, it'd be getting pretty close here to fire it up. You know what I mean? Get things rolling here. We got a lot of work into this car, guys, gals. I'm telling you right now, we got a ton. But if I can just do a little bit every day and stay motivated, we'll be all right. We'll get things moving and get things done. You know, I still need to go over all the gas line, all the fittings, and make sure everything's tight. And I mean, I've been through them, but I need to, you know, just another check. What is that? Measure twice, cut once. Well, that's basically what we're gonna do here. You know, so working on it, and again, it's really starting to look like a car again. All right, let me get this turned around. I figured I'd go ahead and button that bracket down there, so I put that right there. You know, I think that's the shift cable that comes out that hole next to it. I'm not sure, but that's the automatic shift cable out of there, which I'm not going to be using. I'll be using to feed wires through for something. Maybe the wires for the tack and stuff like that. But anyhow, yeah, we're working on it. We're working on it. So, all right, I wanted to show you this before I ended the video. Well, it's nice. Had nice enough weather today to be able to keep the garage door open and come out here and work on the Fairmont. Man, we got a lot of stuff to do still, but we are making a little bit every single day. You know what I mean? I'm pretty pleased with the progress. I hope you guys are too. But yeah, you know, I mean, like the wife says, you can't work on that 55 until you get that Fairmont done. You put that thing on the back burner too many times. It's not happening this time, guys, gals. I'm gonna get this Fairmont up and running, man. May not get painted this year, but it's sure gonna run. All right, man, I appreciate you guys, I really do. Thanks for watching my videos. Thanks for coming around. You guys are awesome. And if anybody tells you any different, you come and see me and I'll tell them you're awesome. I want you guys to have a great day, night, or whatever time it is you watch this. And thanks so much. I really appreciate it.